Hi guys, on this video I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Snapchat calls problem. First thing, open the settings. Go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do here is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on Snapchat like this. Click on force stop. Click on force stop here. After that, click on the data usage and make sure to enable all these options. That's the first solution. The second one is you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it. And the last solution is you have just to restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.